Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video I'll talk about an amazing YouTube channel that enables you to earn a lot of money per month. And today's idea is based on providing and talking about some bizarre and weird things and facts. That way you can arouse the people's curiosity to know all that is strange and unknown, like abnormal stuff, beyond reality and supernatural scenes. And to prove the profitability of this idea, let me show you an amazing YouTube channel that is entirely based on making videos about some bizarre stuff. Let me show you that. This amazing YouTube channel is Bizarre Pop. As you see, over 1 million subscribers, and the entire channel is based on creating videos about some creepy and weird things, sounds, facts, and so on. Like this video, as you see here, 5 scary 3D sounds to make you go insane. As you see, 10 minutes of just scary and creepy sounds and music only. And this video got over 600,000 views, as you see. To look at the earnings of this YouTube channel, let's go to Social Blade. As you see, and its earnings about average $10,000 a month. So the first question comes up, where we can get this creepy and bizarre script or these facts or stuff. There are a lot of sources out there. First one is toptrends.net. toptrends.net. Here you can find a lot of listicles and articles to talk about this strange and unknown and weird stuff, like this one, 10 unexpected treatments doctors still prescribe, and 10 strange examples of mass hysteria, and so on and so forth. So many people are curious about knowing all this stuff, as you see, about food, about facts, about ghosts, about skies, and so on and so forth, as you see. Or this amazing website as well, that is ranker.com. ranker.com. Here you can find a lot of these listicles and a lot of weird facts. As here, like the weirdest sports of 2022. If you saw this thumbnail on YouTube, just makes you more curious to watch this video and know all the weirdest sports of 2022, like boxing, some martial arts, and so on and so forth, as you see. Like this one, weird laws in New York, and 15 wonderfully weird documentaries on Netflix, and so on and so forth, as you see. Or the biggest listicles ever on internet, listverse.com. Here you can find huge amount and big library of listicles about anything, about any stuff, and so on. For example, just you can go to bizarre, and here you find a lot of categories like creepy, mysterious, and weird stuff. So if you explore this category, which is about weird stuff, so here you can find tens and even hundreds of these listicles about some weird and irregular things, and 10 bizarre, top 10 incredible smells, and so on and so forth, as you see, to create your awesome YouTube videos. And of course, all these listicles and these articles are copyrighted, so you don't have to violate this intellectual property. So you gotta rewrite and rephrase these articles, or so to speak, these scripts, to be more unique for you. And you can do that in 2 options. Either spinrewriter.com, it gives you a free trial of 5 days, just you can convert any article into a unique script. Or you can use an amazing feature on writer.com that enables you to rewrite any article just in few seconds. As here, article rewriter, just you can insert the URL of your listicle in question, and just in a few seconds you will be given an amazing and a unique script. Or just you can get a full article or listicle by using AI tools, and there are a lot out there like Jasper, Peppertype, Longshot AI, and Shopea.ai, or WriteSonic.com as well. And here in WriteSonic.com you can find this amazing template that enables you to write a unique article with over 3,000 words just with one click, as you see. Then you get to convert your script and your article that you got from rewriter tools or AI ones to an amazing and awesome video. And you can do that either in video.io. You can find this awesome template that enables you to convert any text, any script into an awesome video. As you see, text to video. So click over that. Then you gotta select a suitable template like this one, for example. Use template for some creepy and some mysterious things and stuff. And here in this place, just you can insert your article and your script. And here I recommend for you to shorten this script a little bit to be suitable to be converted to an amazing video. Okay, perfect. Or you can use lumen5.com. lumen5.com. Here you can use this amazing website for free to convert your script into an awesome video. And as for producing highly professional videos, you have to fill it up with high quality stock videos, sound effects, music tracks, and so on. And regarding about stock videos, you can get them from free websites like cover.co. Just here you can insert something like scary, bizarre, weird, and so on. For example, you can type scary, and here you can find some scary video clips that you can use in your YouTube videos. Or you can head to canva.com. Then you can go to videos, and then you can find a huge library of scary and weird videos as you see that you can use in your YouTube videos to make it more professional and more attractive. Scary and weird and creepy video clips. Or if you want to up level your videos and to be more unique, just you can use some premium stock videos and premium sound effects, and you can get them all from Envato Elements. And here in Envato Elements, just you can type something like scary, weird, and so on, and select the category of stock videos. And here you could find over 17,000 scary stock videos as you see, to feed your videos with them as you see. Perfect. Scary videos. Or if you head to category of audio clips for scary, as here just you can play as a background music for mysterious and some for creepy videos and so on. So if you want to up level and make your videos more professional and more unique and attractive to your audience, just you can use premium contents. And if you want to add your voiceover, so you can get a lifelike voiceover from Murphy.ai. And of course I have talked about it in a previous video how you can get all this premium and lifelike voiceover from Murphy.ai and how it is allowed on YouTube to be monetized. And of course you'll find this video below in the description box. And just I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.